This lesson is to talk about the range of the function tangent. So, as a function, the input for tangent is just some angle, and the output is the y-coordinate of where that angle lands on the unit circle over the x-coordinate. And I spoke in another video how we can think of this as the rise over the run for the line that goes between that ordered pair xy and the origin. So really, you can think of tangent as just the slope of that line. And that really helps to think about the range, because now all I'm doing is saying, okay, well, theta can be an angle that lands you anywhere on the circle. And what kinds of slopes are possible? So certainly we've got zero slope. Tangent theta is 0 as long as you land at any multiple of pi. And of course it's undefined at pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, negative 7 pi over 2, just pretty much any way you can get there or there, it's undefined. So what happens in between? Well, it can be 1, and it can be as big a number as you want. The bigger I go in slope, the larger the tangent value, and you can get an almost vertical line that can have a slope as large as you want. And certainly, you can have a negative slope as large as you want, or over here at negative 1. But you can also have a small slope. You can have a slope of a quarter, for example, or a slope of negative a tenth, or really as small as you want. And the values that tangent can be big as you want, positive, as negative as you want, 0, anything in between. The range is all real numbers. And if you think about cotangent as being just the reciprocal of tangent, so you want to think about what cotangent can be. It's just the reciprocal of what tangent can be. And any number can come out to be cotangent. So let's say you had some random number like 52.7, and you're like, well, what the heck? Tangent value will get me 52.7. Answer is the reciprocal of 52.7. And since tangent can be anything, cotangent, the reciprocal of tangent, can also be anything. So the range for tangent is all real numbers, and the range for cotangent is also all real numbers.